Hi, my name is Marat. I'm a 3D character artist with experience of making 3D models for animation studio. I also have teaching experience in one of leading international computer graphics and animation schools. Right now I'm also a YouTuber and streamer. On my channel I have already over 100 videos about sculpting in Blender. From my personal experience, I know how hard it is to get consistent result when students try sculpting heads, especially if you are trying to sculpt attractive female heads. So I decided to share my experience and make this course to help you to become better at sculpting stylized female heads. I did the course in Blender, although the head sculpting techniques that I'm showing here are applicable for any other sculpting software like ZBrush and Nomad. The course consists of two parts. In the first part I'm showing how I set up Blender for myself and optimizing it before starting my work. Also, I did a couple of introduction videos about sculpting UI and sculpting tools in Blender. Second part includes practical exercises. First, we'll make orc female head. I picked it because it will be easier to make ugly female first for those students who have little practice. Still, we will be concentrating on making it anatomically correct. After that, we will sculpt plain heads, the best exercise for beginners to understand head anatomy in simplified forms. We will also make our own plain head variation. Next, we will be sculpting a stylized female head, which is an excellent example of how we can apply our knowledge from the previous plain heads lessons onto the stylized female heads. And finally, we will make a pretty looking stylized elf female head with long ears and pretty looking face. We will make it step by step, gradually moving from simple and basic shapes to more complex and detailed parts of the head. The course is fully narrated and recorded in real time with no time lapses, and I explain every step that I do. It also includes the references pack used for the course and models that I made myself. This course will be updating in future and new different stylized female heads will be added. All future updates with new head practice materials and lessons will be available for free for those students who already bought the course, even if the price will change. The link to the course in the description to the video. Now I need to go and I will see you in the next video or maybe even in the course. Bye.